Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax in Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh, and today I'm standing on a new 2020 Harris Sunliner. Bunch of changes on the boat this year. We've got the brand new soft touch vinyl. Feels amazing. You're going to love it. You need to come by and check it out and feel that. This model's got a big ski locker. Store your skis, anything else that you need down there. We've got RGB lighting in this model, subwoofer, bunch of cup holders in this guy. The new things for this year, we've got the raised helm on this one. In that helm, we've got the Simrad GO5 and JL audio system. This model has a digital throttle, so you've got active trim from Mercury. We've got a double Bimini on this guy, so you're fully enclosed, or you can only cover half of it if you like. Again, with this soft touch vinyl, we put this model with this single lounge, so you've got a flip-flop forward, rearward facing seat. Got a deep reach swim ladder on this one, and a big ski tow bar. This one's rigged with a Mercury 200. So come on by and check us out here at MarineMax in Dallas, or you can always catch us online at www.marinemax.com.